Hello everybody and welcome to my channel Cooking Addiction. Today I'll be demonstrating a very popular dish which is made here in Goa, whether it's Ganeshchathurthi, Diwali or Christmas, and that is Neureos, also called as Karanji or Gujiya in other parts of our country. To make this sweet, first we have to make the coating, and to make the coating you will need refined flour, salt, semolina, milk, and water. Mix all these ingredients to make a soft dough. Once the dough is ready, cover it with damp cloth and set aside for 20 minutes to rest. To make the stuffing, first roast the sesame seeds, poppy seeds, semolina, and shredded coconut until it gives a nice aroma. Once all the four ingredients are roasted, let them cool down for some time, and then take a bowl, add the roasted coconut, poppy seeds, then sesame seeds, semolina, chopped raisins, chopped cashew nut, sugar, salt, and cardamom powder, and mix them nicely. Divide dough into 35 small portions and shape into balls. Roll out each ball into a circle, put a small portion of the prepared filling in the middle, fold over to make a semicircle, and then leave flute the edges to seal it well. Heat sufficient oil in a kadai. The oil has to be hot enough. Check by dropping a small portion of dough in the oil. It has to rise immediately without browning. Once the temperature is perfect, deep fry the Neureos on a medium heat until they are crisp and has a pleasant golden color. Drain on absorbent paper or perforated bowl. Allow to cool completely. Store in an airtight container. If you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon as well. And if you have any questions and suggestions, you all can comment below. Till then, I will see you all next time. And happy Ganesh Chathurthi to all of you all.